In this video, we are going to walk through how to create assignments in HMH. First, you'll need to log into your district account and then access HMH through Clever. So click on BGPS bookmarks and the Clever login, and then click on the Hope McDougall online card. And it will automatically log you into the main class dashboard since you have already added your textbook to your class. And there are two options for assigning assignments to your students. The most straightforward and easy to use is clicking on Browse in the upper right corner, choosing your textbook, and then either going by standards or by program structure. Program structure is very straightforward. It goes by collection, by lesson, in order that you would in the book. So you can expand each of these options, click on the lesson that you would like to open, click on it again to expand, and then you'll see all of the different options for this lesson using the digital textbook. Anything that is available to assign to your students will have an assign button next to it. And to assign that, all you have to do is click the assign button and it will open a new window with some new options. You'll need to select your class, then give the assignment a name, and then add a brief note, which is just a short instruction or direction for your students. Then select whether or not you would like the assignment to always be available online for your students, or if you want a begin and end date or due date. And then you can differentiate the assignment for different students by selecting them in your roster at the bottom. And then when you're ready, click Submit, and it will post for your students, and it will be available on the student view. So you can access that in Assignments down at the bottom, or we can go back here and click on Browse again, Program Structure, and we'll select another lesson plan here. And again, clicking on it to expand. And this time we're going to scroll down and choose a different type of lesson option. So we're down in the assessments. And when you click assign for an assessment, it does bring up different options. You'll still need to choose your class at the top and put in a note or direction for your students, and then choose those test dates and duration. So you'll have different options again for an assessment versus a regular assignment. So setting that begin and end date when it's available for my students to take this test. And you'll be able to again go through and set any of these other options that you have available for an assessment before you click submit. So assessments have different types of options in them, and performance tasks do as well. And once we submit, this again puts it in our assignments section and it's live for our students. So if we go back to our main dashboard, you'll see that assignments section is down at the bottom, and we can click on that and it will bring up this exact same window. And you can actually use this window to find other assignments and assign them to your students. So we're going to search for assignable activities, and it shows the assignment that we already created because we have selected View All Assignments Made over on the left side. So we'll switch that over to View All Assignable Content, and that opens up our options to all of the available assignments under this option for performance tasks now. So we have a new pop-up. Again, we have to go through, give assignment name, add that note, and it already has our class selected for us. Choose the start and end dates. And then there are some slightly different options available in a performance task assignment. So now we've seen an assessment, a regular assignment, and a performance task. And they have slightly different options that you can personalize for your class before you submit, and it becomes active for your students to work on in their HMH online dashboard. So you can assign activities through assignments as well as through Browse in the upper right corner.